tauhi mwe rei hono whitangalo ki a honi. Koen ko whakatapu heni. Whakatapu heni ki hoku eki mama, auntie, Emeline Sisfa. Pehe, e ku whakaapa lahi ki e kaupare Sten Steak. Pea moe pi sope whakatapu makehe ki hoku o Fehokine Leoni. Alais, Fehokoniumatangono, pea mo Uasi, o kuhinga ai e tau i heni. Forgive me, but I had to deliver the rest of my speech in English. I have been waiting for this moment for over 20 years now. Not that I have always looked forward to this, because for most of those years I've tried to do my best at heart to protect my daughter from making this decision in the wrong way. Marriages are like a birth of a new child. It marks a new beginning. The day I drove from Green Lane Hospital after Hoko was born was a new beginning for me. To be a father. To be a father of a daughter seemed a bit overwhelming. But anticipation for her life and for our relationship helped me overcome my fears and work hard to be a father worthy of such a daughter. Today, we stand at another new beginning. Fehokoniumatangono, today start a brand new family. Like me, they are probably filled with a feeling of being a little overwhelmed at it all. But those feelings will melt away in large parts as they anticipate their new life together. And as they build a relationship, they will stand the test of time. Be true more to each other, always share your joys and your burdens. Love much more and laugh much more together. Be each other's best friend. Always speak well of each other, even in private. And when things don't go as well, start with forgiveness, as it is required in the married life. Life is an adventure, and you embark today on that adventure. Together, even though you are individuals, but your covenant today makes you a couple, more important than either of you separately. One day, if you are as fortunate as I have been, you will stand in awe of a new life, eternity. That will be another beginning filled with apprehension and anticipation. Bring to that relationship the same level of love and commitment you do to your marriage, and you will find joy beyond compare. So today your friends and families surround you, giving you their blessings as you begin something new and marvelous. Remember your promises. Remember more Heavenly Father's blessings. Keep them with all your heart, and you will have that sense of joy and wonder that exceeds all that you have known. We offer you my congratulations and warmest wishes as you begin the latest adventure of life has to offer. Love always, Mum and Dad. Thank you.
Thank you very much for those words of wisdom. I am going to ma o beta runga koe pa hawe beta fukoko pe uto mo pilo pe ata pe ta runga ne fa ho wasi kuna wo sama mai Kapag itahin ko nini ko.
Hoi mo kainga ko kole pe whainga maria ko ni ke o whahoka te patongia tuan. Ka ki mo aya ko whamalo ki tu e langi ko ngā kono. Ngai tā pako tau pe lawa ki tau. Pakoloa ki tau tolo tau. Au sia mehe au whafofa ko ni. Te u whakahoka te pe au. Koe ku ingoa ko mele fie ilo fonua tu yaki. Koe tu whewhine au e tamai au Uasi. Lahi pe tamai au Uasi a mātou koe pe lahi taha. Koe au whika whae whanau koe ni. Whanau e toko taha nima. Uasi. Kio si loi pe. Kona tu whawhine o tamai, kia mea mau. Koe tolai taha, e taine ta runga. Lahi o mau, loto, mau viviri e ofa kia te koe, sisi o mau hivi. Atu pe, mau ki whakalaulau noa kia te koe. Keke alo mohohoa o whaanga. Tau ha mo foi ma patokanga na pako. O mai le mapane ono kai yaki. Awe ko ifo atu mo totoa. Ko tahine talunga, ko tahine me one siliva o maleria. Pero fafofonga ya te ia tamai ki me fata mafana. Mo ana peka. Mo hala manga ono pafofonga e atuia Uasi e ma ofa lahi ka te koe mo mahonga ia ko iwa o mo matua lelei mo mau whakamalo ia ko hiko ha lawa i Leoni o tari lelei koe ke ne hoko ko Hawaii o mo whakaama pe Uasi ke hoko te lelei ango ho tamai alo he koe loto tau hi a Leoni, tau he whamiri, tau hi moi kui, tau hi moi mea katoa o nau aki. Ko ia pe malo.
Isa efe ai amoni la nicola Koha topapai e tui whakamanurua Usue maahisi ahono na ua Ke urifo akiki te amai o huna Fata Malo atu ke ka ina o potuka o maa baba ulan. I he tau lunga te no ka mori pe. Ko he tau man hoko. Me ati tau lunga ka loto. Ko e whaamiri ni e whaho e te whine Mario e hauni. Ui he me a hauni. Ko hala tau whaan hala saala te. Tau sia. O tata whakolo. Ko ai tata whakolo no kwa o wha. Te ko koe pehena i ai hao. Hao lawe ki whaamiri o Pacific.